Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this red and gold rhinestone sugar skull makeup look. I really love sugar skull looks and wanted to try one with lots of color. First, we're starting out with a red face paint, putting this all over the face, neck, and chest area. Then using red eyeshadow to fill in the gaps between the face and the hairline. Then I'm using a very pale, almost white concealer and putting this in the areas I want to highlight, mostly on the high points of the cheeks and the forehead area, and using a brush to blend this into the red. Then with a dark red eyeshadow, I'm using this as my contour shade, putting this on the cheeks. Using that same dark red in the eyelid creases, creating a winged-like shape. Then using my glitter gel eye palette, I'm using the red shade and putting this on the inner corners. Then with the gold metallic gel that I made, I'm using this to create the eye shape, creating like a skull eye socket. Then going over that shape with gold metallic rhinestones. Then I put a large red gem in the middle of the forehead, and I'm creating sort of a starburst-like pattern with the gold rhinestones. Then I'm creating a swirl-like shape for the cheekbones, and going over top of that shape with gold rhinestones again. Then going around the eye sockets again with a larger red gem. Then adding a few red gems to the forehead. And then filling in the rest of the forehead with the smaller rhinestones. Then using black face paint for the nose hollow area. Then using black face paint to extend the mouth and then create the teeth marks. Then added a few gems to the chin area. Then I went over the teeth mark areas with very small black rhinestones. And then filled in the nose area with black rhinestones as well. And that completes this red and gold rhinestone sugar skull makeup look. I really like the color combination of red and gold and think that the gold metallic rhinestones really make this look very sparkly. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.